This may take a few minutes. I'm going to have to clean that because those are all completely corroded. Oh dear, they are in a state. Is that going to break the spring as I take it off? I think it will. Yeah. Okay, so they're pretty awful. We're going to have to do some cleaning. Well, I guess this is good news, bad news time. Replace the batteries okay. Switch it on.
Ready?
And he goes through a little talking sequence.
My name is Dusty. Gotta get up to the jet stream. Okay, line up for the runway. This is Dusty calling Prop Wash Junction. Over. I am more than just a crop duster. I'm Dusty. My name is Dusty. Excuse me, it's called the Wings Around the Globe Rally. Try that again.
And that's it. I've tried just over 30 of my 27 megahertz transmitters that I've got, and it doesn't respond to any of them. So I guess we'll have to be doing a teardown, have a look what's inside. But it doesn't look like we've got anything that matches it, which is a shame. It's an interesting setup. This is the steering at the back here, and if you turn it, you can see that the whole plane, well, it would bank, wouldn't it? So, interesting. And if you push it along, the propeller turns. But it doesn't respond to any of my transmitters. So I'll go in the box and we'll do a teardown at some time, just to check that it's nothing silly like there's wires falling off the motor or something. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.